guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with a new release video and I'm super excited as always about this week's new releases. I do have a Deco Kit that has been much anticipated, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that first. I was going to release this last week, but honestly I forgot and it was just like a crazy week. Like my life's been crazy, but it was a crazy week last week, so I am going to show you guys this week. We do have like a limited stock of these. I made about half of what I normally do. If you want this, definitely pick it up on Wednesday. So this is the Deco Kit that goes along with the, there it is. That goes along with the 6-year bundle. So if you have that bundle, you like that art, I didn't want to like pair it with it just in case you like don't use things that are like Deco Kit, TN Kit type related, so I wanted to do them separately. And also I tried to keep all the items in here kind of minimal so that it was a more affordable option. So the papers and the acetate are the same and the die cuts are the same like quality as normal. So if you had one of these before, it's really nice thick semi-gloss type. It's not even really gloss, it's more of just like a really nice like matte. There's no like shine to it, but it's just like a really pretty kit. And I wanted to keep the patterns minimal because I think this looks good in every single cloud. Like if you have a cloud, you need this. So this is the first paper. So you do get 2 papers. They are double-sided and you get one of each, which I think is great for like continuity and like continuing the patterns. This is one of my favorite patterns. I think I have this one in my cloud now. Yeah, I do. So I have this one here with some cloud stickers from Fox and Pip, and then I just have this vellum over top of it, and acetate, and then another acetate. But oh my goodness, such a pretty little bundle here. And then you have this one in the back, which is more of a cloud. This one's more of a marble. And then the last paper is just this really pretty purple twinkles, and then you have this really pretty like, what is this called? Somebody let me know what this is called. I can't think of what the name of it, like acid something or oil something, I don't know, but it's so pretty. I love this kit. Very neutral. And then you do get 2 pieces of acetate. I didn't do any vellum. I'm not really into vellum, so I don't know, but I did do 2 acetates. So you do have the gold and then the silver gems because it is like a mixed metal collection. And then last but not least, you do have some die cuts. So again, I did keep this really kind of simple and affordable just because I feel like when it comes to me setting up like a TN kit or a TN or a planner, as you can see with my cloud, I like to have kind of like a base kit and then pull in other things from other shops, whether it's like the Sparkly Paper Co. Extra Acetate or the Wonton in a Million Vellum, or just different die cuts from Fox and Pip and things like that, or different sticky notes. And there are some things that you can obviously pull in, like the I love these clouds. Oh my god, they're so pretty. You can pull in the sticky notes and things like that in the journaling card from the 6-year bundle, and we do have some of those available. If they don't sell out in probably a couple of weeks, I will be like taking them apart and doing like a la carte sales for some of this stuff. So there is that, but as of right now they are. I did design this. I didn't actually have these when I set up my cloud, so I might want to like redo this. I did design this to put in this pocket, but it also could just be used as a regular card. So oh my god, so cute. Look how cute that is. So as far as like Deco Kits go, I think I'm only going to do one other one this year, and it won't be till the end of the year. And I'm going to try and keep them less like holiday kind of based and more just kind of general theme. I just think that's easier, especially when you're setting something up. It does take quite a while. If you guys have ever set up like a planner, you know. Obviously you can still use stuff for crafting, which would be like super cute. So I think that whenever it comes to me setting up my planners, at least I want it to be kind of a neutral theme so I don't have to set them up all the time. But obviously, I think this is really fun for like spring and summer. So that is the 6-year Deco Kit bundle. And again, I did just kind of minimalize it just so that it's just the basics and you can kind of craft with these items and just, you know, pull in other things as you see fit. Again, it comes with the 6 8.5 by 11 papers, the 2 8.5 by 11 acetates, and then the die cuts, which are on, it's kind of like a glossy paper cardstock, but there's not like a intense gloss to it. So that is the Deco Kit. And again, I did do less than normal, but if we do sell out of these, I'll do more of the next one. So let's go into the items that I'm releasing this week. We have 3 collections here, one of them being exclusive art. It's a past mystery kit. We do have a wiggle this week, and this is a really pretty pink sequin. So we did a hollow sequin last week, so if you like the kind of like chunkiness of the like the glitter in it, then you will love this. And it's a really pretty pink color. It's going to go with a lot of different collections. And this is in the bow format. So I don't think we've done a bow format one in a while. We've done a lot of chunkies recently. And I think we did a star too. So these are super pretty. So just like normal, you get your little deco sheet, you get your food doodles, your icons, and date numbers. You get 6 of these sheets here. So you have the half cut headers. Got a lot of questions about what half cut headers are for. So you can either use them stacked to make a header, like a little like just regular glitter header, or you can use them to bougie. So it's a more affordable bougie option, and obviously rather than putting 4 sheets, which would be like this many, just bougie boxes, and then you kind of like are limited with what's left, and not everyone bougies. You can use them as headers or the bougie alternative. And I have used these in my my spread last week, which was the Baby Magic spread, and then I think I used it in maybe my St. Patrick's Day spread possibly, or there's another spread I used them in where I use them as bougie, so you can check out my last video to see that. So you get 6 of these sheets, so you get the 7 headers, you get the 14 half cut headers, and then the 2 full boxes. Then you get the script sampler, you get the icons, and then just some scroll prints go stuff on the bottom, and then you get the 15mm strip. And then this is on special as always for the first 48 hours. So from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. We do have some regular scripts this week. So I have a big foil order coming. I think it should be here like mid-May. I have some like really cool scripts coming, a lot of like really requested ones, and then I also am going to be ordering another foil order probably within the next couple of weeks. But the rest of the scripts that I have are kind of like not cool with the current time, like there's like game day and stuff. So I'm going to release those, but these are the last scripts that I have that I feel like are like applicable. So there is meeting, so you guys can use this for like a Zoom meeting or whatever meeting you're going to. And then you have call, so these are just all kind of more, I guess, like functional. And then last but not least, you have email. So those are the scripts for this week. So like I said, a lot of the scripts coming up are a little bit more niche, and I guess like not for the current times, but I'm still going to release them because they will be applicable at some point in our lives. Then let's go into the new releases for kits this week. So we do, like I said, have 3 collections this week. Each of them do have an ultimate and a mini kit. So let's go ahead and go through them. The first one here is called Rainbow Dreams. Rainbow Dreams, so pretty. I'm going to use this kit, I believe, in October, and I'll go into that, I think, in October. But I just think it's so pretty, such a pretty rainbow kit, and I am obsessed with the marble and the rainbow faux glitter throughout. You have your 2 extra full boxes here, so you have this girl here in the little like spinny cupcake thing, and then you just have like a little planner set up with some stickers, washi, and then a pen. This is my favorite page, like I always say. You have your deco and stuff. I just love these colors. They're so spring, but I feel like also just kind of like an anytime happy kit, and you could use a lot of different foils with this. This would be really pretty with lavender hollow or sparkly hollow or the sequin hollow from last week, or you could do a gold, you could do a mixed metal moment, you could do all kinds of different things, little things. And your bottom washi, let me go ahead and show you guys the like faux glitter throughout. You can kind of see it here. It has like the different colors of the rainbow in it, and then the colors are like this pinky color, a yellow, a green, and then a blue. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, all the kits this week do come in mini kits, and we do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours, so it is in line with the foil special time. So you have the mini kit, so you have your full boxes, you have your deco page, you have your functional page, you have your half boxes and little things page, and last but not least, you have your bottom washi, which is just really pretty. So that is the Rainbow Dreams kit, and let me go ahead and show you guys all of the extras. So I wanted to show you guys, So these are the colors in the kit. And then this one, like I did for Pastel Pride, I did also do a purple add-on. So you can kind of make it more of like a rainbow, even though it's not all of the rainbow colors. But I just thought the purple was really pretty, too pretty to leave out. So it's the same exact format as the purple from Pastel Pride. It is just a different color purple. I don't know if I have the other one. Let me see. So you guys can compare the purples. I might. I don't know if I did or not. I don't know if I kept the purple. I did. Okay, hold on. This one is more of like a dusty neutral purple, and this is the Pastel Pride one. So they're definitely different color purples. And then this one has the faux glitter that matches this kit in it. So there is that if you want to add that on. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is also the purple. So if you didn't get the purple sheet, I do think this pulls in a nice amount of the purple. You do have the glitter headers, which have the like faux different colored sparkles throughout. And then you do also have the the label sampler if you want to add that on. So that is Rainbow Dreams. I don't know why I keep wanting to call it Pastel Dreams. I think a lot of the kits I have pastel in it. Then I do have this kit here, which is called Summer Moon, which I think is a really cool like alternative summer kit, as far as like it's not like your typical summer colors or your typical summer elements, but it's still summery. You do have this in a mini kit if that is your preference. So let's go ahead and get into the ultimate kit. The mini kit is the same format as the last mini kit, just with this art and colors. So let's go ahead and get into this. So you do have the full boxes here, which are super cute. You have the two different girls there and just a ton of just different kind of like beachy mood elements. I love the black. The faux glitter throughout this is the like black, and it has like purple and pink bits in it, you'll see. And then again, you have the two alternative boxes, which are super, super cute. I just think it's so fun. I feel like this one would look really cool with the black foil that we released. I remember we called black prism, or you could pull in like a pink or a purple, and I think that'd be really fun as well. Or you could do a hollow, or you could do a silver. There's lots of options here, and I just think it is a really, really pretty kit. And these colors are phenomenal with the black and the stripes, which if you guys have any guess, I did use that as the bottom washi because I think it's like fire. You have the Munchkin Head freebie, and then there is the option if you want to add on the bottom washi, which how fun will this be, especially if you do, I think if you do like the black prism bundle or oil slick, both of them will be good, but like this would be so fun. Oh, this would be so pretty. And then you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There's the option to add on the glitter header, which again, you have like the faux other glitter colors sprinkled in. And then there also is the option if you want to add on the fashion girls. So such a pretty kit. It's just such fun colors that you wouldn't really think of like doing for like a beachy summer kit. So again, this is called Summer Moon, and it is available in an ultimate and a mini kit. So pretty. And then last but not least, we do have Pool Party, which was exclusive art, I believe, from last year. I don't think we ever brought this to shop as a kit. I think we only brought it to shop as a monthly. So I'm thinking it was last year. This is exclusive art by Kitnish Jess. Y'all know and love her. So this is the ultimate kit. Here is the mini kit. I have rearranged the boxes. Like they're not the same boxes. Pretty sure. No, I don't think they're the same boxes, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure I redid them. So, yeah, so this is the ultimate kit. It does come in a mini kit. The mini kit still does have the tall box freebie, which we'll show you that then. But it's just a really pretty, fun summer kit. I inspired my nails with the neon, and I just think it's gorgeous. I love the water. This scene is one of my favorite scenes because of this, like, this little section here. It's so pretty. So that is the full boxes page. The colors are just like vibrant. And then you have like a little grill and a little pool. This is like definitely like a pool party kit, but it could also just be like you're lounging by the pool or you like are dreaming of the pool. Again, my favorite sheet. And then you have your deco page, tons of deco on there. These colors are so bright, so fun. Definitely like a pop in whenever you're flipping through your weeks, your little things. And then the glitter throughout, let me show you on the this page. It is again the like multicolor rainbow-y type of vibes. Your little things page, and then your bottom washi is the water, and then like I said, the freebie instead of the Munchkin is a tall box with another girl on it, and I just thought she was so cute. So that is the look there. And then you do have the option if you would add on the 15mm strip, which will look so pretty against this blue. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which have the different color throughout. And then also the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is everything for this week. Crazy releases. Like I said, we do have some 6-year bundles still available. Those just need to be ordered by themselves. I'm filming this on Saturday, and Kirsten is currently putting labels on those right now. So those will be dropped on Monday whenever this video is available. So again, we do have Pool Party. There is also Summer Moon, which is so pretty. I just don't know how I'm gonna pick. I feel like I normally don't have any summer kits to pick from, and this year I'm just like, I have too many summer kits to pick from. There's just too much good art. And then there's also Rainbow Dreams. There is the Wiggle for this week, which is the pink sequin. There's also the call, meeting, and email scripts. And then last but not least, we do have the 6-year Deco bundle, which is so cute. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like it. Again, these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. The unlimited stock ends Friday at noon Eastern, along with the special pricing on the Wiggle. So that is everything. I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.